morning students. We have been discussing the non-homogeneous differential equation method and we have started exercise 8D. First Roman, second Roman we have completed, and let us work out the remaining problems that are left in the exercise 8D. So the fourth problem is x minus y minus 2 dx plus x minus 2y minus 3 dy equals to 0. First of all, this is not in a proper form. What is the proper form of a non-homogeneous differential equation? dy by dx equals to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. First of all, let us do that. So x minus 2y minus 3 dy equals to minus of x minus y minus 2 dx. This is equals to dy by dx is equals to, this is minus x plus y plus 2 by x minus 2y minus 3. So this is equals to, this is of the form a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. So a is equals to minus 1, b equals to 1, c is equals to 2. A dash is 1, b dash is minus 2, c dash is minus 3. Clearly b is not equals to a dash, minus a dash. b is 1, minus a dash is minus 1. 1 not equals to minus 1. Case 1 gets failed. And a by a dash is minus 1. b by b dash is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 not equals to minus 1 by 2, which is case 2 gets failed. So now case 3 is small x equals to x plus h, small y equals to y plus k. This is equals to x is equals to x plus h. So from this, dy by dx is equals to dy by dx. Let us substitute x, y, dy by dx in the first equation. So dy by dx is equals to minus of x plus h plus y plus k plus 2 by x plus h minus 2 into y plus k minus 3. This is minus x plus y. Minus x plus y plus minus h plus k plus 2 by x minus 2y plus h minus 2k minus 3. Now this is equals to dy by dx. So this is again in the form a dash x plus b dash ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. It is still a non-homogeneous differential equation. So to convert this non-homogeneous differential equation into a homogeneous differential equation, these constants on numerator and denominator should be missing, should be absent. So let us take this now. Minus h plus k plus 2 equals to 0. h minus 2k minus 3 equals to 0. I'll add minus h plus h gets cancelled. Minus 2k plus k is minus k. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 equals to 0. From this, minus k equals to 1. K equals to minus 1. Now, substituting k in any one of these equations. So minus h plus k plus 2 equals to 0. This is minus h. The value of k is minus 1 plus 2 equals to 0. So this is minus h. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. If you take to that side, minus 1. So therefore h is equals to 1. Therefore x is equals to x plus h, x plus 1. From this, capital X equals to x minus 1, small y is equals to y plus k, that is y minus 1. From this, y is equals to y plus 1. Therefore, consider this now. dy by dx is equals to minus x plus y by x minus 2y. Since this is dy by dx equals to function of xy by function of xy, the degree of numerator and denominator are equal. It can be further written as, if you consider this to be f of xy, k power 0 into f of xy. So, since this is dy by dx, we should express this in f of y by x, and then y by x equals to v is to be taken. So, for this, take x in common, then we'll get minus 1 plus y by x by 1 minus 2 into y by x. So let y by x equals to v I'll take. So y is equals to vx. Differentiating with respect to the independent variable x, we get dy by dx is equals to, this is uv, x into dy by dx of v, dv by dx, plus v into dy by dx of x is 1. So dy by dx is x dv by dx plus v, we get that. So substitute in this. This implies x dv by dx plus v is equals to minus 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v. This is equals to x dv by dx is equals to minus 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v. Transpose this plus v onto another side, minus v. This is equals to minus 1 plus v minus v into 1v, minus into minus plus 2v square by 1 minus 2v. So v gets cancelled. So this is equals to 1 minus 2v dv by 2v square minus 1 is equals to dx by x by separating the variables and integrating on both sides. Separating the variables and integrating on the both sides. So this is what we get. This is equals to, so 1 minus 2v dv by 2v square minus 1 is equals to integral 1 by x dx is what we got. Here I will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. This is 2. This is 2 into 1 minus 2v, which is 2 minus 4v. This 2v square minus 1 can be written as root 2v minus 1 into root 2v plus 1. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. This is the step that I have written. This numerator can be written as 1 minus root 2 into root 2v plus 1 minus of 1 plus root 2 into root 2v minus 1, because 1 into root 2v plus 1 is root 2v plus 1 minus of root 2 into root 2v plus 1 minus of 1 into root 2v minus 1 is root 2v minus 1 minus root 2 into root 2v minus 1. This is 1 into root 2v plus 1 is root 2v plus 1 minus root 2 into root 2v plus 1 minus 1 into root 2v minus 1 minus into plus minus root 2 into root 2v minus 1. So this is root 2v plus 1 minus root 2 into root 2 into v 2v minus into plus minus root 2 into 1 is root 2 minus root 2v minus into minus plus 1 minus root 2 into root 2 into v 2v minus into minus plus root 2 ones are root 2. This is what I get. Now here root 2v gets cancelled and this minus root 2 plus root 2 gets cancelled. I am left with 1 plus 1 2 minus 4v. So 2 minus 4v can be written like this. So this is equals to, now I will divide now. 1 minus root 2 into root 2v plus 1 by this is 1 minus root 2. This root 2v plus 1, this root 2v plus 1 gets cancelled. So 2 into root 2v minus 1 is what I get. This by this. Root 2v minus 1, root 2v minus 1 gets cancelled. 1 plus root 2 by 2 into root 2v plus 1 is what I get it. This is 1 minus root 2 by 2 integral 1 by root 2v minus 1. Let us suppose this to be v. Integral 1 by v dv is log v log root 2v minus 1 by v's quotient root 2 is to be divided minus 1 plus root 2 by 2 since is a constant of integration. Let us separate it from the process of integration. Now integral 1 by root 2v plus 1 dv which is log root 2v plus 1 by the coefficient of v is root 2 is to be divided here. Integral 1 by x dx is log mod x plus constant of integration c. Instead of c I have written it to be 1 by 2 root 2 log c. 1 by 2 root 2 1 by 2 root 2 is taken common in this term as well as this term. So 1 by 2 root 2 into log a minus log b which is log a by b minus 1 by 2 log root 2v minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log root 2v plus 1. Take minus 1 by 2 as a common, then log root 2v minus 1 plus log root 2v plus 1 log a plus log b log ab log root 2v minus 1 into root 2v plus 1 a minus b into a plus b a square minus b square root 2v whole square minus 1 square. So 2v square minus 1. Here 2 root 2 I have taken LCM here. 2 root 2 log x plus log c by whole 2 root 2. Here 1 by 2 root 2 is there, here 1 by 2 is there. So let us take 1 by 2 root 2 as an LCM for both of them. Then log root 2v minus 1 by root 2v plus 1 minus 2 root 2 by 2 root 2 times. So root 2 into log 2v square minus 1. Here 1 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 log x plus log c. So this 2 root 2 and one more thing, m log a is log a to the power of m. So log x power 2 root 2. So this 2 root 2, this 2 root 2 cancel on both the sides. So this can be written as log root 2v minus 1 by root 2v plus 1 is equals to log x to the power of 2 root 2 plus log c. This on transposing onto another side, this is root 2 log 2v square minus 1. So m log a is log a to the power of m. So this can be written as whole power root 2. Now this is equals to log a plus log b plus log c log abc. So log c x power 2 root 2 and 2v square minus 1 whole power root 2 is equals to, this is log of root 2v minus 1 by root 2v plus 1. So removing log on both the sides, then we'll get the root 2 v value is y by x minus 1 by root 2 into y by x plus 1 is equals to c x power 2 root 2 into 2 v value is y square by x square minus 1 whole power root 2. So this is equals to root 2y minus x by root 2y plus x is equals to c x power 2 root 2 into this is 2y square minus x square whole power root 2 by x square whole power 2 root 2. So this is x power 2 root 2. So this and this gets cancelled. So what is the value of capital Y? Capital Y is y plus 1 that we got earlier minus the value of x is x minus 1 by root 2 into y plus 1 plus x plus 1 is equals to c into this is 2 into y plus 1 whole square minus of x minus 1 whole square whole power root 2 is the required solution. Let us do the sixth problem now. 2x plus 3y minus 8 of dx is equals to x plus y minus 3 dy. First let us try to write in the proper form of a non-differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation. So dy by dx equals to 2x plus 3y minus 8 by x plus y minus 3. Now this is this. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3 and C equals to minus 8. A dash 1, B dash 1 and C dash minus 3. Clearly B is 3, minus A dash is minus 1. 3 not equals to minus 1. Clearly B is not equals to minus A dash and A by A dash is 2, B by B dash is 3, 2 not equals to 3 and A by A dash not equals to B by B dash. Therefore, the third case is x equals to x plus h, y is equals to y plus k. From this, dy by dx equals to dy by dx. Let us substitute x, y, dy by dx in the equation number 1. That implies dy by dx equals to 2 into x plus h plus 3 into y plus k minus 8 by x plus h plus y plus k minus 3. This is equals to 2x plus 3y, capital X plus h, right? This is capital Y, capital X and capital Y. Now this is 2 capital X plus 3 capital Y plus 2h plus 3k minus 8 by x plus y plus h plus k minus 3 dy by dx. This is still a non-homogeneous differential equation. To convert this non-homogeneous differential equation into a homogeneous differential equation, these constants on numerator and denominator must be equals to 0. So this implies 2h plus 3k minus 8 equals to 0, h plus k minus 3 equals to 0. I'll multiply the second equation with the 2. Then this is 2h, 2k, 2 3 is a 6. Then I'll subtract minus, minus, plus. So 2h gets cancelled. 3k minus 2k is k. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. If you transpose onto another side, is equals to 2. K equals to 2. Substituting k equals to 2 in any one of the equations. Second equation is h plus k minus 3 equals to 0. I'll substitute. H plus, the value of k is 2, minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, h is equals to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Transposing is equals to 1. Therefore, small x is equals to x plus 1. From this, capital X is equals to x minus 1 and small y is equals to y plus k. So capital Y is equals to small y minus 2. Now you take this dy by dx equals to 2x plus 3y by x plus y. So now this is a homogeneous differential equation with the degrees same on both the numerator as well as denominator. Since it is dy by dx, we have to convert, we have to express this into f of y by x, for which x I will take common and I will cancel that x both on numerator as well as denominator. Then we will get that 2 plus 3y by x plus 1 plus y by x. So this is clearly of the form f of y by x. Let y by x equals to v and then y is equals to vx. Differentiating with respect to x or y, that is assessed by this independent variable with respect to x on both sides. So this is equals to dy by dx equals to x dv by dx plus v. So this is equals to dy by dx can be written as x dv by dx plus v is equals to 2 plus 3v by 1 plus v. This implies x dv by dx is equals to 2 plus 3v by 1 plus v, v on transposing onto another side minus v. 2 plus 3v minus v square, 1 plus v is the LCM here. This is equals to minus v square plus 3v minus v is 2v plus 2 by 1 plus v. This is x dv by dx equals to, this is equals to 1 plus v dv by, let us take a minus as a common here, then v square minus 2v minus 2. So here minus is there on the RHS itself, x by dx on transposing onto another side dx by x. So separating the variables and integrating on both sides. So this is equals to, this is linear by quadratic. Linear is equals to a into d by dx of quadratic plus b. So v square minus 2v plus minus 2 is equals to a into d by dv of 1 plus v this is linear by quadratic. So linear is equals to a into d by dv of v square minus 2v minus 2 plus b. So a into v square d by dv of v square is 2v minus 2 plus b. 1 plus v equals to. Compare the quotient of v on both sides, then 1 is equals to 2a. From this, a is equals to half. Likewise, constants on both sides. Y1 is equals to minus 2a plus b. Therefore, this is minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. This is minus 1. Minus 1 on transposing onto another side. 1 plus 1 b is equals to 2. So, therefore, 1 plus v is equals to a is 1 by 2 into v square. A 1 by 2 into this is 2v minus 2 plus 2. This is equals to integral. This 1 plus v can be written like this: 1 by 2 into 2v minus 2 plus 2 by v square minus 2v minus 2 dv is equals to, this is minus integral 1 by x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2. This is integral 2v minus 2 by v square minus 2v minus 2. So this is f dash v by f of v, log mod f of v. So log v square minus 2v minus 2 plus 2 into, this is integral 1 by v square minus 2v minus 2. Integral minus 1 by x dx is minus log x. If you transpose dv plus, this is equals to integral 1 by x dx is minus log mod x plus constant of integration c. So this is equals to 1 by 2 log v square minus 2v minus 2 plus 2 into, this is a pure quadratic equation. So we should express this into the completion of square method. 1 by v square minus 2v minus 2 can be written as v minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 2. So minus root 3 whole square dv is equals to integral log mod x plus log c. So this is equals to 1 by 2 log v square minus 2v minus 2 plus, this is 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. So 1 by 2a is root 3 log v minus 1 minus root 3 by v minus 1 plus root 3 is equals to minus log x plus log c. So this 2 gets cancelled. Now this is 1 by 2, this is root 3. Take a LCM for this. Then this is root 3 log v square minus 2v minus 2 plus 2 log v minus 1 minus root 3 by v minus 1 plus root 3 is equals to minus, this is 2 root 3. So this can be transformed onto another side. This is 2 root 3 into minus log x plus log c. This is log c minus log x by 2 root 3. If you transpose onto another side, it is 2 root 3 log x, 2 root 3 log c. This is equals to root 3 log v square minus 2v minus 2. This is plus 2 root 3 log x plus 2 log v minus 1 minus root 3 by v plus 1 plus root 3 is equals to 2 root 3 log c. This is equals to root 3 you take common in both of them, then log A plus log B is log AB. So this is log V square minus 2V minus 2 plus this is 2 log x. Root 3 I have taken common. I am left with 2 log x. 2 log x can be written as log x square plus 2 log V minus 1 minus root 3 by V plus 1 plus root 3 is equals to 2 root 3 log C. This is equals to root 3 into log A plus log B is log AB. So log x square into this. What is V square? Y square by x square minus 2 into y by x minus 2. This has been settled. Log A plus log B is log AB plus 2 log. The value of V is y by x minus 1 minus root 3 by y by x plus 1 plus root 3 is equals to 2 root 3 log C can be written as some C dash, which is a constant. So root 3 into log, so x square into this is y square minus 2yx minus 2x square. LCM is x square here. This x square gets cancelled plus log 2 log LCM is x. So y minus x minus root 3x by y plus x plus root 3x is equals to C dash. This is it here. If you take a minus x as a common, 2 log y minus x if you take common, this is 1 plus root 3 by y plus x if you take common, 1 plus root 3 is equals to C dash. Okay. Y square minus 2yx minus 2x square plus this. Therefore the final answer is root 3 into log capital Y is small y minus 1 whole square minus 2 into y minus 1 capital X is small x minus 1 minus 2 into capital X is small x minus 1 whole square plus 2 log this is y minus 1 minus x minus 1 into 1 plus root 3 by y plus 1 plus x plus 1 into 1 plus root 3 is equals to C dash, which is a constant, is the required solution. A small change here, v minus 1 minus root 3 by this is v minus 1 minus here also minus 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 minus, so this is also minus is the required solution. Seventh question, dy by dx equals to x plus 2v plus 3 by 2x plus 3y plus 4. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, A dash 2, B dash 3, C dash 4. Clearly B is not equals to minus A dash, A by A dash is not equals to B by B dash. Therefore we are forced to consider the third case, which is small x equals to x plus h, small y equals to y plus k, dy by dx equals to d capital Y by d capital X. Substitute all of them in this. dy by dx equals to x plus h plus 2 into y plus k plus 3 by 2 into x plus h plus 3 into y plus k plus 4. This is x plus 2y plus h plus 2k plus 3 by 2x plus 3y plus 2h plus 3k plus 4 dy by dx equals to. So consider h plus 2k plus 3 equals to 0, 2h plus 3k plus 4 equals to 0. Let us multiply 2 throughout this equation, then this is 2h, 4k, 2 3s are 6. I'll subtract minus, 2h gets cancelled, 4k minus 3k is k, 6 minus 4 is plus 2, which is minus 2 here. So substituting k in any one of this equation, h plus 2k plus 3 equals to 0. So this is equals to h, 2k is 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 equals to 0. H is equals to minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, which is equals to 1 on transposing. Therefore, consider now dy by dx. Since these two are 0, therefore this is x plus 2y by 2x plus 3y. This is function of y by x. This is function of y by x. Into this we need to express. So for this, let us take x as a common and cancel. Then we'll get 1 plus 2 y by x by, this is 2 plus 3 into y by x. This is equals to 1 plus 2y by x by 2 plus 3 into y by x. So clearly this is of the form function of y by x. Let y by x equals to v, y is equals to vx. So differentiating with respect to x, will get dy by dx equals to x dv by dx plus v. So substituting this into here, this is x dv by dx plus v equals to, this is, take x in common here, okay, so 1 plus, this is 2v by 2 plus 3v. This is equals to x dv by dx is equals to 1 plus 2v by 2 plus 3v minus v. This is 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus 3v square by 2 plus 3v after finding LCM. So 2v gets cancelled. So this is x dv by dx. Here only v and x are seem to be found. Therefore, let us separate the variables. 2 plus separating the variables. And integrating on both sides. On both sides we get 2 plus 3v dv by, this is 1 minus 3v square is equals to dx by x, integrating on both sides. Can be written as, this is again quadratic by linear by quadratic. Linear is equals to a into d by dv of a quadratic 1 minus 3v square plus b. So a into 1 d by dv of v1 is 0 minus 3 into v square derivative is 2v. 2 3s are 6v altogether plus b is 2 plus 3v equals to. Now comparing the coefficient of v on both sides. V quotient here on LHS is 3. Here minus 6av. V quotient is minus 6a. So therefore a is equals to 3 by minus 6, which is minus 1 by 2. Likewise, comparing constants on both sides, 2 is equals to b directly we get. Therefore substitute in this. 2 plus 3v equals to a is minus 1 by 2 into minus 6v plus b is 2. So you take this now. 2 plus 3v by 1 minus 3v square dv is equals to integral 1 by x dx. This is equals to 2 plus 3v can be written as minus 1 by 2 into minus 6v plus 2 by 1 minus 3v square dv is equals to 1 by x dx integral. So minus 1 by 2, this is a plus b by c, a by c integral dv, b by c integral dv. So minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 3v square derivative is minus 6v. So f dash v by f of v log 1 minus 3v square plus 2. So this is integral 1 by 1 minus 3v square can be written as root 3v whole square. So 1 also square dv is equals to integral 1 by x dx. This is equals to minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus 3v square plus 2. This is 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. 1 by 2a. A is 1 here. A square, whatever v is there, that is to be considered as x. A square minus x square. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x. So 1 plus root 3v by 1 minus root 3v. Now we need to divide with the v quotient root 3. So by root 3, that is into root 3 here, is equals to integral 1 by x dx is log mod x plus log c, constant of integration. So this is equals to 2 gets cancelled here. This is if you take a root 3, if you take LCM, this is, let us take LCM here, minus root 3 log 1 minus 3v square plus 2 log 1 plus root 3v by 1 minus root 3v. So instead of adding this log c on the RHS, let us log c I will add in the LHS itself is equals to log x. So plus this is 2 root 3 log c, 2 root 3 log c is equals to 2 root 3 log x. Here 2, here root 3. So 2 root 3 LCM I have taken. 2 root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, root 3. So minus is already there. Log 1 minus 3v square. So 2 root 3 by root 3. 2 into log 1 plus root 3y by this. Plus 2 root 3 into log c. 2 root 3 log c by 2 root 3 LCM. If you cross multiply, 2 root 3 log x is what we got. Now this is equals to, this is log 1 plus root 3v by 1 minus root 3v whole square. M log a is log a to the power of m plus this is log c to the power of 2 root 3 is equals to 2 root 3 log x. This minus root 3 if you transpose onto another side plus root 3 into log. So log this 2 root 3 log x can be written as log x to the power of 2 root 3. This minus root 3 log 1 minus 3v square, if you transpose on to another side, this is plus root 3 into log 1 minus 3v square. So log 1 minus 3v square whole power root 3. Now this is log a plus log b, log ab. So log 1 plus root 3v by 1 minus root 3v into c power 2 by 3 log a plus log b, log ab. So whole square into c power 2 root 3 log a plus log b, log a into b is equals to this is same log a plus log b, log ab. So log 1 minus 3v square whole power root 3 into x power 2 root 3. So if you take a logarithm on both the sides, if you remove, then this is what we'll get 1 plus root 3. The value of y is y by x by 1 minus root 3 y by x whole square into c power 2 by 3 2 root 3 is equals to this is 1 minus 3 v square is y square by x square whole power root 3 into this is x power 2 root 3. This is equals to x plus root 3y by x minus root 3y whole square. By x gets cancelled. C power 2 by 3 is equals to C power 2 by 3 can be taken as C dash also is equals to this is x square minus 3y square whole power root 3 by this is x square whole power root 3 is x power 2 root 3 into x power 2 root 3. This and this gets cancelled and now replace capital X by x minus 1 and small capital Y by y minus y plus 2 which we have got earlier. We get small x is x minus 1 plus root 3 into this is y plus 2 by x minus 1 plus root 3 into y plus 2 whole square into c is equals to this is x minus 1 whole square minus 3 into y plus 2 whole square whole power root 3 is the required solution.